y'all, Kaya here of WayUpGoodies. And today we're gonna do a little unboxing video. I have my very first KitchenAid. I'm really excited. This is my first. Oh, I just said that. That's how excited I am. So we're just gonna open this, and we have here a beautifully rolled blunt by me, of course. I am the blunt and joint roller in this marriage, filled with some orange daiquiri. Okay, let's smoke. Oh no! Okay, there we go. It's good. Alright, so I'm gonna pass to you. So let's open this up. I have here my handy clever cutter. Anybody work at Wawa? Y'all familiar with these babies here? My Wawa days, I got a few of them laying around. By a few, I mean 2,500. Alright, look at that. Oh my goodness. It comes with all the fixings. So we got a KitchenAid. Now normally it pains me honestly to spend money on myself. It's a problem. I'm working on it. Treating myself, thank you baby, treating myself a little more. But with us baking more and cooking more, we figured it's about time I have a KitchenAid. I deserve it. I work hard. Essential working out here and shit. Let me get a KitchenAid. So here we go. Let's see. What color was this, baby? I think hot sauce. Yeah. Hot sauce is the color that I got. Cause it's red. Red is my favorite color. Let's see. Okay. This fancy paper. Oh, with all the attachments. Oh, I was looking at all these fancy bowls. This video is not sponsored by KitchenAid in any way. I'm just a fan of damn near everything they make. Because it usually doesn't break. And if it does, it has a warranty. So you can't be mad at that. Look at that. Thank you. It's a fancy book.
We don't really need to read the paperwork.
Yes, we do. Everybody want to see the paperwork, don't y'all? Ooh. Okay. All right. It's a cord.
Hard-earned money.
Oh,
that's your hook.
This is my dough hook. We're gonna make some pizza dough and some whatever else dough. Bread, I guess.
Oh shit. Drop it on.
This thingy.
What is it?
I don't know. It's to mix stuff.
Wow.
See, this is why we need to open the thing. Oh, look. That's in French. Okay. Flat beater, y'all. That's the flat beater. Yeah, and that's the dough hook. See, I'm most excited about the dough hook and
I have
the wire whip. Alright.
Oh, the wire whip is on it already?
Oh shit, that's heavy.
The wire whip is on it.
There we go.
Oh, it's a good looking mix.
I know it's small. What size did we get?
I think the mini.
The mini. So I think it's 3.5.
Yeah.
3.5 quart. So this is mini 3.5 quart tilt head. Yes, 3.5 quart. So they have some really big ones, but one, we don't really have the space to store it, and two, I don't know how this works.
I think you have to tilt the head back.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
Should be like a lever or something.
See, this is why we do need to look at this. Jeez. Motor head, speed control. Oh my goodness. I finally have a KitchenAid. Again, I didn't want to spend the money. This was like 2 something.
Oh my God.
What?
Look, it's right there. Look at that.
You the real genius here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there we go. All right. I thought that was the. Oh, it's on this side.
Yeah.
It tilts. It tilts. And there it is. This is really what I wanted. Well, in the dough hook, because I really want to try to start making bread and shit. Oh, there we go.
That locks in
Yeah, it locks in place. That's dope.
Nice.
So, this is a 3.5. It's not too big. It's perfect because it's just us that we're making goodies for. And then, you know, if friends come over and they want a goodie. Yes. Sorry, y'all. Our niece asking if she can watch TV in our room.
TV out.
I guess she want to lay in her bed. Okay. Alright. Those of y'all that got kids at home, y'all know what it is. You can't even have 10 minutes to do a video. Alright. So, that's it. I'm excited. The first thing I think we're going to make is maybe some donuts. Ooh, we'll do a little infused donut video for y'all. And that's about it. So that's quick. We're gonna finish our orange daiquiri. We might shoot a video for donuts using my brand new toy. Look at that. Yes, it is slick. That's nice.
Sleek, I guess what she said.
Slick, sleek is all those things. Okay, see how this works. There we go. Yeah. We hope everyone is doing well and staying safe and staying healthy. Those of you that can't quite stay healthy, sorry about that. It's rough out here. And that's it. That's all we got. Thanks for hanging with us.